You have
I
a
have a
whole
collection.
vast collection of pig
I
art.
do.
So why and when did you start collecting pigs?
You know, I'm not even sure when I started, but you have to wonder, what does it mean for a Jewish person to collect pigs? Certainly I didn't really taste pork until, actually, the first time. I remember that I had forgotten about this. I was visiting relatives in Winnipeg, your grandparents. We went to a Chinese restaurant. It was, I think, the first time. And I had spare ribs that I was 12 or something like that. I'd never tasted spare ribs. So I put them in my scrapbook because this was very significant. And then when I came home, we kept kosher. So I hid them in my closet because I thought they really shouldn't be in the house. So maybe that was the beginning. You could say it was a bit of an acting out. And it got translated into an expression of culture and folk art. I don't know if that's an acceptable, more than that, it would require several years of analysis. I'd rather spend my money on other things.